Today we'll be working on creating a menu item in Powershell. Uh, so first thing we want to do is we want to create a variable that we want to store the user's input into. So we'll just create a variable called A. If you don't know any variables in Powershell, start with a $sign. So we'll do $A and we'll do equals. And we'll do a read host. And this basically tells Powershell, read the input of whatever the user inputs for this and store it into the A variable. We'll do a dash prompt, so it prompts the user, and we'll do double quotes for our text. So in our double quotes, we'll start with a backtick in. So backtick in creates a new line, and we'll put our option. So we'll do 1. So in the Powershell window, the only thing it will show is a 1. So if we run this right now, it just shows 1 dot, and then the semicolon is where the quotes are. So we'll go ahead and finish this up real fast. So we'll clear our screen, and we'll do a backtick in 2 and backtick in 3. And then for our question, we'll put it at the end of the quotes. So we'll back this up a little bit, and we'll do another new line, backtick in, and then we'll ask our question. So please select option, a number. So now if we run this, you see 1, 2, and 3, and please select a number. So go ahead and stop this, and we'll clear our screen, and we'll query. So now we'll create a switch. So we'll go ahead and type switch, and we'll run it on $A. So basically it gets whatever in $A, and then we'll add our choices. So we'll enter the script block down. So if $A is 1, we'll create a script block. If it's 2, create a script block. And if it's 3, we'll create a script block. And then for any extra spaces at the end, I usually just take those back. So for number 1, we'll put, what is the color of 1? And for 2, we'll do the same thing. So we'll go ahead and copy that. We'll paste it down here. And this is what the user will see when they're running their menu. And for 3, we'll go ahead and do exit. So for number 1 down here, this is what the command will actually execute if they select 1. So we'll do a write host, which displays text on the screen, and we'll do double quotes, and inside there we'll do 1 is red. And one thing about write host is you can change the color of the font. So we'll do foreground color red. And now we'll do number 2. So we'll also write to the screen. We'll do 2 is cyan. And we'll change the foreground color to cyan. For number 3, we want to execute the command exit, which will exit Powershell. So let's go ahead and run this. So here's a menu. Number 1 was color 1, was color 2, and exit. So we select 1. 1 is red. Clear our screen and run it again. If we select 2, 2 is cyan. And if we run it again and we select 3, it will try to exit Powershell ISE. So this is how you create a basic menu for any kind of tools you create. My next section will be adding an advanced function, and we'll add it to this menu. So if you ever need to run a report or anything like that, you can have a nice little tool. You just click on it, select a report to run. It'll run your advanced function in the background and output the information into a CSV file. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Go ahead and add them to the video. And if you'd like to see something else in Powershell that I haven't mentioned, go ahead and put that in there. I'll be glad to show you how to do it. Thanks for watching.